Well, hello everyone. And as we come to the end of the year, I wanted to say thank you to everybody, staff, patients, researchers, members of the community, um, who've contributed over the last year to pushing forward health and care research in Wales. We published this year our first 3-year plan, Research Matters, which is all about trying to improve health and care research in Wales. And everyone's worked really hard to take that plan forward. We've made a great start, but it's a really challenging time financially and organisationally in the NHS and the care system in Wales, and there's a lot still to do. But the biggest asset we have is the enthusiasm, motivation, and support of our people. What we've been doing, for example, we launched the Health and Care Research Wales faculty this year to provide better career opportunities for people who want to pursue engagement and working in and with research. And we've strengthened our links into UK funders of personal awards as well. We built on the success of the Wales COVID-19 Evidence Centre during the pandemic and launched the Health and Care Research Wales Evidence Centre, working right across health and social care with Welsh Government, the NHS and the care system, essentially to provide good evidence to support decision makers with the difficult choices they often have to make. We've developed during this year and just started to implement our NHS R&D framework with the health boards and trusts. That sets out what we think a really great research engaged health board or trust looks like, and is being used by ourselves and health boards and trusts in order to plan future actions. Looking ahead, there's a lot to come during the coming year. We are currently working on a review of clinical research delivery. We're completing some work reviewing and developing our infrastructure investments in research centres and units across Wales. And there's a lot more to do. So after Christmas, we all look forward to getting back to work on that. I'd like to finish by saying diolch again to everybody and to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.